Good afternoon, guys. This one's for you. I'm creating a Windows 11 64 template machine, and I want you guys to do the same thing. So I'm just going to show you guys a quick overview of how to do that quickly, and then we will. Um, so in this case, we're going to choose, and this is actually done in a nested environment. So I'm creating, choosing I can generate a password for this one, right? And then copy the password and then paste it here. So this is going to be temporary. So there's your password there. That's temporary password. And that's my machine for now. Again, you guys do the same thing. And then remember the password, machine and credential manager. No, you're going to copy that. And then only files need to support the TPM. Because since we're creating a Windows 11, we need to ensure that TPM is created. For that, for BitLocker, if we're adding BitLocker or enabling BitLocker. So we're going to click next. We're going to click store as a single file. I'll show you guys how to create that quickly. And click next, next, finish. So I'm using Workstation Pro 17 in this one here, guys. Showed you guys how to download that in earlier versions. If you do have that, again, try it out. Remember, we need to edit the machine. We need at least 8 gigs for this one. Just install the operating system, then we can bring it back. Ensure that our trusted platform module is present. And then we're going to not remove it, but we're going to make sure that it's added. Um, and then we're going to enable secure boot and then hit OK. Again, I'm going to show you that again. So go to settings. We need to ensure that the trusted platform module is present. Then we're going to rise that to 8 GB for the operating system and give that back to 4 GB. For our template machine, obviously, we're going to create the template machine and then we're going to Sysprep it and then we're going to um, lower that ticker to 4 MBs. So platform module is present, and then I want to ensure that your, again, we're not going to do all, we're not installing Hyper-V on this one, so we're just going to leave it as is. Um, in this case, um, this is good to go. We're going to put the Windows 11 CD DVD. I want you guys to download that. I'll send you the link on where to download that. Um, let's see if I did I mount? Just make sure you mount your OS disks here, guys. It's important, very important to mount your OS disks. Um, Mount your application folder where on your computer where your share is, so that way you have it. In this case, I think I enabled it. I have the application in VMware. I can always drag and drop that. I think it's already set. So I'm going to cancel out of that. Cancel out of that. All right, and let's see if I can add it. I'm gonna have to drag and drop. So let's enable that. All right, so it allows us to enable and then map the network drive. Go to browse, host, and then we have our applications folder, which is what we want. And click next, and this is called application share. It's gonna be temporary, okay? Click next, enable the share, finish, and hit OK. All right, so we are going to power on the machine. So let's, auto detect. Sorry, I need the ISO. We're going to use this ISO image file. We're going to browse to our folder, applications. Add it. No, I did not add it. I have to add it. Okay. So I'm able to drag and drop. I hope I'm able to drag and drop. I did install the VMware tools. I should be able to drag and drop in a bidirectional. So hopefully that should help. quicker the better. Applications, applications and logos. Um, application servers. So let's go to server 2011. We can create it directly from the website. I think I did in an earlier version, but I've already saved it. I'm not going to show you how to do that. Just Google it, or one of my older videos. You just you type in download Windows 11 from the Microsoft website, and I'll send you links on that. It's pretty easy, and then just follow the steps on how to create the ISO. I've already created the 23H2. 22H2. I can use an older version for now. Use a 22H2 version. And then just cancel. I think I clicked on it by accident. Okay. Guys, give it 1 sec. Just give it 1 second. I didn't want to click on that image. Oh, just let it run in the background, let it do its thing. Avoid it. Not a big deal, not a problem at all. Just let it run. But you guys kind of get the gist of it, things, and then we should be able to load load the machine or download the machine. Should be okay now. Hopefully, we are good. Um, again, we should be able to drag that file over to this machine. There we go. And then load that machine there. I'm just copying the file. Just loading the operating system on our machine. for Windows 11. I just wanted to operate just to let it run, just in case you guys want to know how to do that. It's pretty straightforward. Just be sure to watch other videos on how to download Windows 11. Copying the files. Okay. So I'm now able to open up my template machine here and load the CD DVD. Hopefully, should be able to browse to the desktop, and there it is, just from the desktop. And so all the settings are correct. Again, you can add a secondary disk. It's up to you. Actually, let's add a secondary disk. Why not? Uh, Storage developers. Let's call this the developers PC. So this will be the developers PC. I'll call it. This will be 150. Uh, you know, store that as a multiple files for now, and then finish and hit OK. And this will be developers PC, so we can go ahead and manage settings. Oh, right click, sorry. Oh, right click here, sorry, and then rename. Doesn't let me rename. Does not let me rename. Ah, there it is. Okay, so I'm going to rename that to the developers Windows 11 template machine. Developers. So this will be the developers Windows 11 template machine. I'm going to hit enter. Right, the developers, and I will start the machine. And requires, yeah, that's fine. The machine, yep, that's fine. Got 16 GBs on this laptop. I can have 32 if I want. And give it more later on if I want to. But let's boot it from TV. There you go. Should work now. So I'm building a Windows 11 template machine for developers. Again, I give them 16 or 32 GBs. Make sure you have that space and then create that template for them based on the settings that we tried. Again, I just want it to run for now. You guys know how to do the rest. I'm just going to give it, again, English. Just follow along and post your comments and questions through my WhatsApp channel. Depends on your time and currency format. In parts of US or Europe or EU or Africa or Asia, Pacific time, North America, South America. So we are going to go to this for now, click install now, and that'll run our complete machine. Okay. And we're going to give it the Pro or Enterprise, if you have Enterprise or Pro, right? And click next. And then we're going to accept the license and terms. If you want to read these, you're more than welcome to. Click next, custom. And this is where we're going to create that format, like I told you. So we're going to go half of 75, 800 or 76, 8. Fit 1,500, 153,600. We're gonna go half of that. Or you know what? Let's do 100,000. I feel sunny today. Yeah. And then apply, right? And that'll create the partitions on drive 1 or 0. And then that'll have the, I'm able to now, again, it'll create the system partition, the MSR reserve primary, and then have the drive allocated space for that. And then we're going to click next, right? We're going to click that and then click next. And that's it. That's all it is. So this is going to go ahead and complete its task. I'm not going to make you guys wait around. It's just a quick video on how to create a Windows 11 laptop for a developer. Again, it's up to you. 1632, however you want. Just make sure that they have that space and all the applications ready for that template. Again, you make sure you have those applications ready if you want. Create the template, then sysprep it, give it characters, sysprep it, and then create your clones. Other than that, thanks again for joining me for another session. I hope this one was informative. Um, in this video, we created a template for developer laptops example with Windows 11, and then my other one, I created one for the server. If you have any questions or comments, again, please like and subscribe, email me or call me on WhatsApp. Make sure you text me who you are, what video you watched, and the question that you have. If you are following along and you have your own environment, please send me snapshots. Let me know what you're doing. Try it yourself. Let me know what you think, and all the best.